In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows key not working in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by pressing and holding the function key on your keyboard, then press the Windows key once. Some keyboards temporarily disable the Windows key, and this shortcut can restore it instantly. Next, click the Start menu and open Settings. Inside the Settings window, click Accessibility from the left sidebar. Then scroll down and select Keyboard. Look for the option called Filter Keys. If it is turned on, click the switch to turn it off. And this feature can sometimes interfere with keyboard input and prevent the Windows key from responding properly. After disabling it, close the Settings window. Now click the search bar on your taskbar, type Task Manager, and open it from the results. At the top of Task Manager, click the search box and type Windows Explorer. Once it appears in the process list, right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. Your taskbar and desktop may briefly disappear while Windows reloads the interface. Next, open the search bar again, type Device Manager, and launch it. Inside Device Manager, find the keyboard section and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. Right-click your keyboard device and select Update Driver. In the next window, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check for updated keyboard drivers that may fix the issue. Once the process finishes, close all open windows. If the Windows key still doesn't work, check your keyboard for a dedicated Winlock key or a gaming mode button. Some gaming keyboards include a feature that disables the Windows key to prevent the accidental presses during gameplay. You can also try unplugging your keyboard from the USB port. Wait about 3 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes the keyboard connection and can restore normal functionality. If you're using a laptop and the issue continues, restart the laptop completely. Temporary keyboard driver problem can sometimes prevent the Windows key from responding until the system fully reloads. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.